How to track your Temu orders. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of view. Now here different options will appear. Click on the option of your orders. In this page, you're going to find different sections. All orders, processing, shipped, delivered, returned. Head towards the option of shipped. Under this, you'll find this option of self-service to find order. Click on it. Now from this page, you can easily track your order. You can type in the phone number to find your order. Likewise, you can use email address, order ID, or payment information. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. I have selected payment information. You can provide your payment information and then click on find order. So that you'll be able to track your order. Using any of these options, you can easily track your order on Temu. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.